All right, so let's start with some breaking news that's just come in, where a U.S. judge has tossed Donald Trump's defamation lawsuit against the New York Times. This is a major legal victory for the American Daily. Trump had filed a $15 billion lawsuit against the newspaper, but just moments ago, a judge struck it down for not following the court rules. The judge overseeing the case has found that Trump's lawyers had failed to follow the court rules that require the claims to be short, plain and direct in the order that was issued by Stephen Merriday. The district judge notes that Trump's lawsuit was quote-unquote unmistakably and inexcusably violated the court's rules by featuring repetitive, superfluous and florid allegations and details. However, it appears that the matter has not completely died down, though. The judge has also said that the US president's legal team can refile an edited version within the next month. The lawsuit was filed earlier this week, in which Trump claims that the New York Times is quote-unquote a mouthpiece for the Democrat Party. The Republican leader has also accused the newspaper of spreading false and defamatory content about him. All right, now to give us more details on this, we are joined by my colleague Susan Tehrani, who's joining us live from New York. Susan, what's this lawsuit about, and why has the judge now struck down the lawsuit that has been filed against the New York Times by Donald Trump's team?
So President Trump, as you mentioned, is suing the New York Times and some of its writers for defamation and saying that they're a mouthpiece of the Democrat Party and a slew of other reasons. However, no time for celebration for the New York Times as of yet, because this dismissal is not based on merit, on whether or not President Trump's justified in his lawsuit or not. It's not a yes or no dismissal and order. It's basically saying that go back, amend the writing and the way that you have presented this document to us, and then we'll take a look at it again and see whether or not it's viable or not. So they have time to go back. Apparently they didn't follow the right rules. The complaint wasn't written properly under federal court rules. So they have to go back, write it, and then submit it again, which is very likely that they'll do.
Interesting. We'll have to see as to how that unfolds. Thank you very much indeed, Susan Tehrani, for joining us with all those updates then.